We're at Arenal Drive at White Rock Road. Still can't see the sign.
Wait to cross White Rock Road at Arenal.
Same one on this side.
Wait to cross White Rock Road at Arenal Drive.
Traveling north.
Vibrate sounds kind of crappy. Now let's go to where you have to cross Arenal Drive.
Wait to cross Arenal Drive at White Rock Road.
Traveling east. Wait.
Chirping sound. Same one on this side.
Wait. Wait.
To cross Arenal Drive at White Rock Road.
Traveling west.
Now let's go to this one.
Wait.
To cross White Rock Road at Arenal Drive.
Traveling north. Wait.
Same one on this side.
Wait to cross White Rock Road at Arenal Drive.
Traveling south.
So I think someone like put a balloon on this button. Like that's why there's this like wrapping and all that.
Wait to cross White Rock Road.
Well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go find a different intersection now. By the way, here's the sign for White Rock Road. See you later.